Hey, we're here today to introduce a brand new product, the Diamond Dog Tempered Glass Screen Protector. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. First, you'll find a simple 1, 2, 3 instructions. Of course, you've got this helpful video, which is available on the website. But basically, it's as simple as step 1, cleaning the screen. Step 2, preparing the screen with our easy installation tray. And then step 3, installing the screen protector onto your phone, and then you're done. So let's put that aside and let's look inside. We have the easy install tray, which we'll use to help in the alignment process. Separately, we have screen protector accessories. And inside this envelope, which we've already opened for you, we have the wet dry wipes, the dust removal sticker, and then finally we have this beautiful microfiber cloth to clean our screen as well. Now that we have everything out of the box, we're ready to install our Diamond Dog screen protector. So we've already opened these wet and dry wipes. I'm going to bring this front and center here, and we'll use the wet wipe to just get any surface dirt off the surface of the phone. Any dust or lint will be removed by the sticker if there is any. We've got that complete. Now the dry wipe follows, and you get all the moisture off, so that what we're doing is preparing our screen so that our advanced adhesive sticks to the screen for a long-lasting protective coating. Now step 2, the dust removal sticker. You may or may not have any dust or lint on your screen, but we'll use this and show you that this is really like a blotting tool where you hold the edges of your phone and just tap down wherever you might see any dust, and stick them on the back of the sticker. Will remove any dust or lint. Now with our screen totally clean and free of dust and lint, we're ready to install our Diamond Dog Diamond Clad screen protector. We've made it easy for you, and what we do is provide you with a very simple installment tool. You'll notice at the top of the tool there's a number, and that needs to go and align with the top of your phone. Simply place it over the surface of your phone. It'll snap into place, and now you have an area inside of which the screen protector will lay, so it automatically goes to the very edges but no further. We'll remove our screen protector. It's made of real glass, so it has the same feel as your phone because it's made of the same material as the glass on your phone. And we also utilize a very advanced adhesive that makes the application of the phone screen protector onto the phone much more simple. So what we'll do is we'll pull the screen protector from the back of the backing, this plastic backing. Hold the screen protector by the edges so we don't get any fingerprints on it. I'm going to turn the screen sideways and simply make sure that you're aligning the hole on the top of the screen with any hole on the top of your phone, and lay it right down into the tray. It's that simple. And once it's laid down, you'll notice that the screen almost miraculously fills the bubbles up all by itself. You'll see the screen lay down, and as the adhesive does its thing, almost like magic, not a single bubble on the screen. I didn't even have to rub, but I'll do so for good measure and do a little polishing. Laid it down. Now we simply remove the installation tool, make one final pass, pushing down around all the edges, and we have one beautiful iPhone 11 Pro protected with diamond-clad tempered glass. Should you find any bubbling whatsoever, don't fret. What often helps is to apply extra pressure, a little firmer pressure, or even to use your fingertip and go back and forth. The bubbling will typically settle as easily as it settled on the initial installation within hours, minutes, maybe a day at the most. We hope you enjoy your Diamond Dog screen protector. This phone will be protected as long as you have this screen protector.